G'day guys, Scotty here from Airborne Solutions. We're just going to start a few videos, a few how-to videos. One of the ones we use a lot here in New Zealand is the L1 function. It helps, it's quite quick if you've got a steep block, and it's a lane assist function, so you control speed and height with the controller, and the drone does perfect parallel lines and adjusts its rate to suit. Times you'd use it would be like, we've got some Californian thistles on the side of this hill, just a small patch, or lots of little gorse blocks or blackberry blocks, stuff like that. So we set up the controller with the rates we want. So we're going to spray these Kellys at about 50 litres a hectare, and let's say 230 micron droplet size. We're going to use standard. So standard means as the drone moves slower and faster, it adjusts the rate as required. So if you slow down to a stop, no spray comes out. If you go right to full speed, 50.75 litres comes out. If we use ration, that purely goes to litres per minute. So if we come to a hover, or no matter what speed we're going, 20.3 litres per minute will come out. For spraying Kellys and stuff like that, we always use standard. If we're spot spraying blackberry or gorse and coming to a hover, we'll use ration. So that's set up how we want it. Our flight speeds are how we want it. 7.5 means if we push the stick all the way forward, it'll do 7.5 metres a second. At the pump rates, it has the ability to do 9 metres a second. Do a 6 metre swath, and I generally have terrain following off. Just means there's no surprises and you're in full control of height and speed. Now we fly over to the edge of our block, or edge of our little patch of thistles. We push and hold L1. You can see it generates the parallel lines on the controller. We fly forward, and spray comes out. Push and hold F4 also. Now we get to the end of our run, and we push L2, and the drone will jump over the perfect 6 metres. I can control the height and the turn, so I'll descend a bit. Now push forward, push and hold F4 again when the thistles are where I want them to be, and turn off. Push the same button, L2, so even though the drone's turning right, it's working to the left. It can be a little bit of a trap, so just be aware of that, and spray on again on the edge of the thistles. If the block's perfectly square, so if I come to a stop now, no spray comes out, I don't have to turn the spray on and off. But how often do you get a perfectly square block? You don't. So for example, I want to turn off now, because otherwise I'll just be spraying bare grass, and then I turn on as I'm coming over the last little bit of them. The block's finished now. So let's pretend we've come back for another load, we've reloaded, and we want to resume from where we were. Unfortunately, you can't pick up on the old line. So what you do is you maneuver the drone to where you ran out. Again, you push and hold L1. Then you use F2 to tweak the angle of your AB lines. You can see the drone's twisting. So you make them line up parallel. I'm just doing an example there, overshooting it. Once you've got them parallel to your old runs, then the spray on, fly forward, and you're back into it. End of the run, click L2, jumps over 6 metres. Turn the spray on and off where you want to, so spray on again, spray off, whatever you want to do. And again, I'm controlling speed and height. So you'll notice if I move the sticks, the drone doesn't move at all until I do quite an aggressive movement, and then it jumps off its line. Obviously, as well as L1, you've just got free flow flying. So just say we had a little patch of thistles there, I can just bomb them up. You know, operating however I want. This is just me flying 100% manual, but the drone is keeping the correct rate. That's how L1 works. Yeah, we use it quite a lot. It means you can turn up to a job and improvise and get the job done quite quickly without having to go map first. You can make decisions once you get there. Means no wasted chemical, and it's a really good tool. Thanks for watching. Any questions, give Scotty or Baden a call at Airborne Solutions.